Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're going to have a look at this little axe here. And as you can see, I really like the details they have put in here. They've got this little flower pattern on the handle, which gives it a really nice, interesting look. And then also the top is protected quite nicely, so we can easily carry that around. We have to open up these buttons here, and then we can easily remove that and pull it out. Give me a second here. So, there we go. And as you can see, there's also a nice little wolf artwork on the blade or the axe itself, which also gives it this really fancy look. Also could be a display piece. It is sharp enough to actually do some chopping. Um, Not sure if how it performs with really heavy wood, but it is capable of doing something, that's for sure. So the peak in the back is pretty sharp as well, and yeah, I think pretty nice approach here. And that's gonna be it, you guys. So take care until the next video. Bye bye.